franchising stuff out here, and so it's my first time kayaking. It's Bay's first time kayaking. The first day we've had a break to actually get on the water in 5 days. So we're gonna try our hand at kayaking. As you can see, we have the Sun Dolphin excursion. So my know nothing ass, filled with YouTube information, I'm gonna try this. All my kayaking buddies were busy. So and it doesn't help that I wore my Nikes. So
I know, right? I was saying, do you want to move it down a little bit more?
down where?
Over here, because it's not as much rock.
There's a whole baby there. I don't want to hit the baby.
Baby, the baby way over
Baby, I ain't got no control of this thing. I don't know how to ride this shit. There's a few things in life I know how to ride. That ain't. Yes, as y'all can tell, I am trying so hard not to get my Nikes wet. He's hot as hell on his water.
It is. You got it, baby. Hold on. Let me give you a good launch from right here. Oh, you got it.
Ooh.
Look at him go. How you feeling, babe?
I don't know. I feel mine. Okay. I don't know where the hell I'm going.
It is so hot out here. Jesus.
You can stop recording. So yeah, this is Babe's first time on the kayak, like I was telling you guys, and she's not feeling it, but she's gonna get the hang of it slowly but surely, like we said. Like if you don't want to come direct towards me, use your left one to kind of steer the other way.
Okay.
See how you're turning?
Yeah.
You're doing good.
It's just really scary.
Maintain your balance, remember that.
I got it.
I love her. Uh-oh. Look at Bay. By the end of the summer, you're going to be ready for Emerald Cove. What do you think?
Maybe.
She said maybe. We ain't even begun to throw fishing poles out there. No lines in the water yet. They just... I like her reaction. It's natural. It's so hot, baby. I'm about to be a whole new shade of milk chocolate.
Alright, I'm heading back to you.
All right.
I think it was how I was holding it too. Like the thing.
So when I watch YouTube videos on, will you be watching from now on?
Maybe.
I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying.
I don't want gonna hit the rocks.
You okay? It slides up on there. Hold on. So we're heading from Lake Mead. We just had an experience of going kayaking for the first time together. And you know what? I'm gonna let Stephanie speak first, but I have to say, I was a bad husband. I didn't get enough pictures of my bae on a kayak. I almost said Cadillac. I don't know why, but the word Cadillac almost came out. So I just want to let you guys know that, you know, we did go out there. I had fun. Steffi, how did you feel?
I actually had a good time. It was fun. It was different, but it was just hella hot. Like, I wasn't expecting it to be that hot because it's later in the evening. But I mean, all in all, when I got in it, I was like, okay, I was like, whoa. Like, I was a little shocked because I wasn't expecting it to be as I won't say it was really wobbly, but I just wasn't expecting it. It was just a little bit of a shock. So babe was like, make sure, you know, you keep your balance. I'm like, okay, I got it, I'm good, you know. But I don't know, the first time I got in it, I was scared. I really thought the thing was going to flip over, and I always had like these disaster scenarios in my head. People who know me know that I always think disastrous at first, but then
that shit never happened.
So then I went back out. I even went a little farther, and it wasn't that bad. Like, I think that now I would be interested in getting my own kayak now. So yeah, I mean, I thought it was cool. I just had to get out of that heat because it wasn't cool, that part. But yeah, other than that, I think it was fun.
Next time we know for you to stay hydrated.
Mm-hmm.
Turn the camera.
So
all we gotta do is make sure you're hydrated and all that good stuff. And
nice scenery.
It is.
Now we want to have an overcast. Now the clouds want to come.
When it should have been out when we was out there in the blazing goddamn heat at 5 in the evening. But it was worth it. Like, I will be going back out there. I have a couple good buddies, Chris and Tony, Tony's like super experienced, and Chris is a novice with me. So, you know, I think it'd be fun for, especially me and Chris, because we're adventurous when it comes to the outdoors. Shouts out to Chris and his antelope tag, lucky fuck. I'm mad, I should have put it in this year, but I think it'd be fun for us, especially as like beginning kayakers. I can't tell you guys, that is hard work. Like, you got a lot of dynamics going on. I tried to fish a little bit, but I better get the kayaking down, then I can do the fishing, you know. I see a few things I want to add to my kayak or to the kayak for us. But outside of that, I personally had a great time. Was I nervous? Yeah, a little bit. You know, did the little wibble wobble, and I had to think like a chick and kind of pop my hips and my ass up a little bit so I didn't wibble wobble as much. But it was fun, you know. It is something I would say, if you have never gone kayaking, do it. You will enjoy it. That's about it on my portion. What about you, babe?
It's definitely a must-do activity again, but we just have to really think of the time of day that we go. That's the only thing. So.
Oh, shouts out to Outdoor Afro. Shouts out to all of you, the Frantourage. Hashtag weekday warriors. Hashtag weekend warriors. You know, because all of us got careers. We can't just do it every day like we want to.
Pretty much.
But I will say, I will be doing this again. I've been trying for 5 days to get out here, and the weather finally let up to let me do it.
As far as the wind is concerned, 'cause it's been really rainy and windy.
Yes, the swells were so huge. What was that, Sunday we went out?
Yeah.
And everyone I know from the fishing club, they couldn't even get out.
Yeah.
So I enjoyed it. I personally will be doing this a lot more. I love it. I can't wait to go get a sit on top so I can go kayak bow fishing. I know I'm doing the damn most, but That's me. I love the outdoors.
Yep. So.
Oh, babe, while we're recording, get a picture, lean over or whatever, and get a picture of the kayak. It needs to make a video entrance. Can you see it?
There's the yak, y'all. So, anyway, until next time, you guys, have a good one.
Like it, share it, subscribe. I'm out.